Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Today I'm gonna show you guys my toolkit. I call it magic board. Ta-da! This is my magic board. First, you can write on it, and second, you can put a picture inside of it. Can you see the magic? Okay. So for example, like if I want to use this tool on descriptions of animals, so I use it as my plenary activity. So since the topic is animals, so I prepared a flashcard of animals. So here I have like panda, tiger, flamingo, polar bear, parrot, and penguin, and I have frog, flashcard, another panda, and O. So this is how it goes. So I'm gonna write down the questions here, like where you can find a lot of animals inside a cage. So this is the question. You will ask your students the questions. The specials about this board, it can also prizes your students and motivate them to answer the questions. So for example, like Alisa, she said she can find a lot of animal in restaurant. Does it correct? So if it's not correct, then you can pull here. Okay, they said oops, try again. So the answer is not correct. But for example, like if Azima answer like they can find a lot of animal in the zoo, then you can slide this one and they said well done, because the answer is zoo. So that's how it goes. But to change the picture inside, I will show you guys after this. So I'm gonna show you guys on how to replace the picture inside the board. You guys can also use this magic board for your classroom activities. For example, like you can ask your student to create a questions based on the picture inside. Okay, this is another example. You ask the students to create a question, for example, like I am king. So let the peer guess what the picture inside. If the answer is wrong, then you pull, try again, and then if the answer is correct, then you pull the slide and shows the flamingo, and well done. So if you guys want to use this as your toolkit, do let me know. I will help you guys to do this magic board. Yeah, so that's all for me. Thank you for watching the videos, and don't forget to comment my toolkit. Okay.